little late intro, but I've been having a ball. This is my first time on the RVR, bona fide. And you know, I'm a river man, I'm a creek man. I like fishing, current, I like fishing, stuff like that. So this is money for me, man. I just did 11 miles on this thing. Literally paddled the whole way. Didn't even use a motor, which I'm gonna put a 300 on it. So man, check it out. Caught some decent fish, caught a little limit, missed some. It was fishing, it's winter. Getting ready for the river season, as I call it. And here it is. So 11 miles on RVR, first time catching fish off it. Let's do it. Go. Oh wow. Oh. Go. Yeah, tracks really well. Oh baby. What a great time, man. This is really, really fun, man. I love river fishing. I love floating. Yeah, I paddled 11 miles. It kind of sucked, kind of didn't. With current and all that, it's kind of, you know, I mean, it's fun. But then once you get a motor, man, you get so much limitations. I can take this thing anywhere. It's the lightest thing I've ever had. So I'm really, really excited. I get mine next week, and it's camoed out. You know how it is when it gets shallow and clear. So really excited for this RVR, bona fide, really, really great kayak. So now I got the XTR and the RVR. Only difference is, of course, the room and a little bit more stability on the other one. But I got my lake kayak, I got my river kayak, I got my tournament kayak, I got my bull crap around kayak. So I'm really excited to get it. So next week, stay tuned for that new RVR camo. Practice day one for Allatoona for the Georgia Bass Nation. I really want to hit the river, but all the spots are boat drag, and I only got the XTR. I don't get the RVR until Thursday, Friday, so hopefully it comes in time. I'm going to stick to my plan, but basically just going to go up this little river, go up close as far as I can, see what it looks like, so I can get on the same bite, same bait, and just see what we can do. First day of practice, let's get it. No, baby. Got another one. It's a crankbait, baby. Let's go, baby. It's a 12-incher. I can't hate to say it's fake, but it's caught my limit in 20 minutes. Go, baby. I really didn't want to fish the lake, but I got forced to be fishing the lake because I can't really portage my kayak, especially the XTR, super heavy as crap. My river kite's not gonna be ready till next week. unfortunately, but I'm here on the lake, dude, and it's on fire, dude. I had this little crankbait with a rock collar, red, the crawfish are red this year, and they're starting to peel back, meaning shed or whatever. So just hitting that on rocks, man, and within 20 minutes, 25 minutes, I caught a limit. Been targeting a rock, catching crankbaits, and I'm trying to switch it up, see if they bite different stuff. But that freaking chatterbait and that crankbait, man, like, it's a good bite. So we'll keep fishing, try to search a new area, try not to spoil it all, try not to fish it all, try not to sore lip them, just in case, because I still just want to hit the river. I got lucky enough, got to dim my RVR. That's going to get fixed with a motor tomorrow. So Thursday or Friday, I can hit the river and see if it's good again, because earlier it was. So it just tells you, just keep fishing. Fish to your potential, fish your strengths, fish to the lures you're confident in, and just do what you know, man. You don't need this, you don't need that. Just have fun, fish it. But here we go. Just keep finishing this practice. See what we can do. Probably head back early. Just gonna look around, see, because I kind of like the spot. I don't get fish so much, So. Forgot to do an intro, but good morning, y'all. We're here at the Georgia Bass Nation, Lake Allatoona, stop 3. First one of the day, a little 16-incher. Let's go. Huh? Hell yeah. No. Second fish of the day. Already missed one, but nice little 15-inch. Third one on the day. Hopefully it starts picking up, but it's back to back, almost cast, so let's go. It's a little 16-incher.
Let's go.
Four fish, baby. If I just catch the one I miss, it'll be good. But 4 fish, let's get on the money. Hey. Yeah. Let's go. Those 17 and a half. Last fish. Keep calling. Let's go. Let's do it, baby. Well, I think I got about 15th or something. I was sitting third for about more than half the day, but I knew the 81 inches wasn't going to cut it. But the thing is, my bite was getting better as the sun went up. But there's one split decision. The wind was blowing into my cove and started getting money, and I needed to stay in a little stained water, not muddy water. And I think that was a key. And I even told myself this is gonna make it or break it, and it kind of broke it. I didn't catch any more. I did catch a couple more, but they were like 14 inches. I needed, you know, a big one. I needed something, but I got like 82 inches. I think about 15, so that's 2 15s back to back. Good for AOI, but man, it's pretty good getting that little taste of like maybe cashing a check or maybe being in that top 10. Like, it's really, really exciting. And that's why I'm gonna keep chasing. Like, I'm almost there. I'm about to get there. Like, I'm telling you, I'm close. But man, those simple decisions, man, just make it or break it. And this is how fishing is, man. But Allatoona was great. Have a fun time. Red, crankbait and rocks. If it don't hit the rock, it ain't working. But see y'all later. See the next one. I think 2 weeks is Clark Hill, and that's my home lake. So wish me luck. Basically gonna do the same thing. So let's see. Try to find some riprap. Let's do it.